How to unban Litmatch account. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily unban Litmatch account of yours. So in order to unban your account on Litmatch, the first thing that you need to do is to simply come to litmatchapp.com. Now this is the official website of Litmatch where you just have to scroll down and here you will be able to see the contact us section. So if you click on contact us, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see their contact region and their customer service. So here it will show you the regions, and right next to it will show you the official website associated with that particular region. So if you belong to, let's say, Malaysia, then you just have to copy this link from here. Then you need to go to your email and you just have to mail them whichever problem that you are facing, which in our case is getting unbanned our account. So you just have to tell them that you want to unban your account on Litmatch, and you just have to simply mail them on the respective mail that they have given over here. After that, you just have to wait for some time until you see any response from them, and if your account is eligible to get unbanned, they are going to help you in this regard. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.